Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. The choir has started. Anyway, I thought I would give you a little peek at the garden. This is what I've got so far this fall. That's potatoes. And put a bunch of straw on top of that. It's straw that had been used by the chickens earlier in the year. Last spring, early spring. And I'm letting things just decompose. This was the tomato plant, the huge tomato plant. I just kind of wrapped the branches up into a knot, and I'm just going to let them sit. And this weed that's growing through there is actually buttercups. I think they call them buttercups. I don't know the technical name. But the little yellow flowers, they're pretty little things. But they are very prolific. The nice thing is their roots are really shallow and they come out really easy. Let's see if I can pull one out here. I don't want to do it right now. But anyway, so I've got another pile of tomatoes. Old dead tomatoes. And I'm just going to let it break down just as if it was natural. And that's going to help the soil. I don't like to tear it out and burn it and get rid of it. I like to compost it, and I just let it compost naturally, and it kind of lets me know what I grew. It's a reminder. Let's see if I can find anything else interesting here. I don't think there's anything else. Except for the birds ate my carrots. I had a whole bunch of carrots coming up a month or so ago, a couple of months ago, and the birds ate them all. The onions are doing really good. I planted some onions about the time I planted the carrots, and they're coming up really, really good. I'm pleased with those.